iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, it's Danielle, and today we're going to be talking about infinitives in English grammar. So as you can see here in the mind map, we have half of it for the definition and the usage. So let's first talk about the definition of infinitive. The infinitive is the to form of a verb. So, for example, to swim, to walk, and to eat. These are all the infinitives of a verb. Now let's go over here to see the usage. So how do we use infinitives? We use infinitives as these things. So number one, we use the infinitive as the subject. We can also use it as the complement, and we can also use it as an object. So let's look at the usage as a subject. Here we have some examples. To learn dancing is my future plan. And to do homework is really necessary. So as you can see, both of these are using the infinitive as the subject. You can also use the infinitive as a complement. So, for example, the most important thing for keeping fit is to do exercise. And what he needs to do now is to paint the house. So as you can see, both of these are used as the complement. We use the infinitive verb as a complement. We can also use the infinitive as an object. Here are a couple of examples where we use the infinitive as the object. Number one, he wants to buy a car. And number two, he promises to buy me a new doll. Okay, so both of these use the infinitive as an object. So both of these are finished. We finished the mind map for the infinitive. So now let's click here to see more information in the outline. So here you have your outline for the infinitive and how to use it in English grammar. You can scroll through this, read through it to find more information on how to use them in sentences. You can also find example sentences and further explanations of how to use infinitives. So once you're done reading the outline, you can click here to take the test to test your knowledge. So in the next video, we will do just that. We will take the test together. So thank you very much for joining me in this video where we talked about how to use infinitives in English grammar. I will see you again in our next video. Thank you. Goodbye.